Welcome to INTI International University, Malaysia. We are the MBA students from Vel Tech, Rangaraj and Dr. Saguntala R&D Institute of Science and Technology. We are super excited to share our learning journey experience at INTI International University, Malaysia, and also our unforgettable experiences.
We got the opportunities to attend the insightful lectures, workshops and interactive sections led by the INTI faculty members.
Our time at INTI International University has been truly enrichful experience, both academically and culturally.
The campus environment of INTI was amazing, like modern facilities, supportive mentors, and truly global learning atmosphere.
First, we love to express a heartfelt thanks to our Dean, Dr. Ravishankar sir, for his constant guidance, motivation and support. He has been truly driving force behind our academic journey.
We loved how INTI encouraged us to be creative and think a new way every single day. It is really inspires us.
This international exposure has boosted our confidence, adaptability and preparing us to become more compatibility in globally professionals.
We sincerely thank our international dean Dr. Suresh for giving us this global opportunity and trusting us to represent Vel Tech University.
This visit has truly broadened our mindset, showing us how technology, analytics, leadership blended into real-time business environment.
We learned business analytics, logistics and leadership through class discussion. The talk made the topic easy to understand. We could see how these ideas used in real life.
We are proud to be the ambassadors of Vel Tech University and grateful for the opportunity to represent our institution at such a global platform.
Beyond academics, we explore Malaysia's rich culture, food and hospitality, which makes our learning experience even more memorable.
We also collaborate with international students from various countries, which improves cross-cultural communication and teamwork skills.
We also learned how educational opportunities between Vel Tech and INTI promotes mutual learning and opens new doors for research and exchange.
Once again, our sincere gratitude towards Dean School of Management Dr. Ravishankar and Dean International Relations Dr. Suresh for supporting and guiding all 16 of us towards this journey.
Thank you INTI International University for your warmth and learning experience, and thank you Vel Tech for believing in us. This journey has truly inspired us to think globally and lead confidently. And these are the Vel Tech MBA students signing off from INTI Malaysia.